What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your skinny boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Yes, you guys. Whew, I had to go through a whole lot to try to get this video set up for you guys. I'm right here on the side of my porch, making several videos with different cameras because I just want to make sure you guys get it. Look at this weather out here today, you guys. It is absolutely gorgeous this morning, okay? Today is Monday morning. I am off work. Thank you, God. Hallelujah. Yes. I hope you guys are blessed and having a great day today, you guys. I wanted to get out here and make some videos for you today. I'm going to be making multiple videos today. They won't all be released today, but it's just too beautiful out here not to, okay? So today we're going to show you how to make a simple garden. A lot of people don't have a lot of space. A lot of people don't have a lot of tools, a lot of energy to do a whole bunch of stuff, okay? So I'm just going to show you a quick, simple garden right here on the side of the house because the soil is nice and moist and warm, and yes, it's the middle of January. February, and it's a beautiful day to garden. So it's your skinny boy Randy. Let's just get into it, you guys. So starting our garden, the first thing you just need, find your little spot, okay? Just find your little spot. I want to move this camera around a little bit, you guys, so you see me recording. See, and this is just right here on the side of the deck of the house. Just a little spot. The grass has grown up. I grew squash and beans here last year. You know, I was only here for a short while last year, but things did come up, okay? Okay! So, going to get straight into it. As a beginning gardener, you're going to need some simple tools, you know. If you're working in a yard, make sure you have a shovel. You guys don't spend a whole bunch of money. Go to your local thrift store, flea market. Normally, you can find a shovel somebody's getting rid of, okay? And you keep them for years. Then, if you can find you a garden rake, get you one, okay? That helps with getting the leaves and, look at that, some sunglasses. Where they came from, I don't know. But that helps get your leaves and things out, okay? And then, I like to always keep a garden hoe, okay? A garden hoe now. You hear me? A garden hoe. All right, I'm going to leave it like that. Get you a garden hoe. That's the only kind of hoe you need, okay? Okay. I'm just kidding, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Always keep you a bucket. You can get buckets from anywhere. You can find them on the side of the road if you have to. And then keep your old soil. Like if you grow stuff and you buy a bag of soil and it doesn't work out for you, keep that soil. We don't throw nothing away, you know. I got some soil from the Dollar Tree that I really don't care for, but I'm not throwing it away. I'm going to blend it and amend it and make it better. So let's just jump right into this video, y'all. I'm going to show you how to make a quick garden. Just quick, simple, and easy. Now you see down there, I don't know if you can see it. Let me move this camera. See down there, y'all? That good soil. That's because we worked this land a little bit last year. Okay? So, just tap our leaves off. Trying to do this with one hand, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm going to have to put the camera back down so I can actually do some work. Okay? This is not a pretty video, you guys. It's all about just starting you a small garden. Okay? So, I'm just going to clear a little space right here and show you what to do. This is all we're going to do. Just this space right here. Okay, you guys? I hope you can see it, you guys. So, what you want to do, first of all, I get my shovel and I turn my soil over. Okay? Just like that. You know, turn it over. And there's some stones in there. Yeah. You know, just break the ground. Break the ground, you guys. And I'm still learning this soil, y'all. So, things I come across, we're coming across it together. Okay? And I feel something hard down there. So, pretty much, just section off what you want to do. Just section it off. And like I said, for the video purpose, we're just gonna do a square because it doesn't take a lot of space to start your garden. Okay? We're just gonna start off with this square. I see some rocks and things in there. You know, you learn something new about your yard and your soil every year. Can you see this, you guys? Okay? We're just gonna dig up that area. Just that area. It doesn't take much. If you don't have that much space, dig up half of that. Hey, do what you want to do. It's your garden. You can do whatever you want to do. Okay? So, turn the ground over. Turn the ground over. And then I get my little hoe, and I kind of just go in and chop. Just go in and chop. You guys, can you believe I'm out here in the yard? I'm out here in the yard. I'm out here in the yard. I'm out here in the yard, y'all. And it's winter. This weather has been really, really out of the ordinary. So, there's a lot of rocks in here, y'all, which will help with drainage in some areas, you know. What else is under there? I don't know. So I'm just gonna leave that like that. Okay? And I always say this side dirt right here, this stuff, you can plant radishes on the side of your garden. They come right on up with no problem whatsoever. So now I'm gonna take some of the soil that we didn't use and our seed starting. And look, y'all, you have a perfect bed to plant whatever you like. Look at that bed. We just made that. We just did that, y'all. Yeah, we did that. We just did it. We just made a small garden in January. It's the Skinny Boy Randy. I love you guys. You're the best. Look, yeah. And then I want to put even more soil because I want it to be thick. Yep. Just like that. And cover. And cover. Look, y'all, we just made a garden. Okay? Then if you want to get all fancy, dancy, and schmancy, so you know what you did, grab some of your Dollar Tree gates. You know? So you grab your gate, stick down in there like that. Sorry, take your another gate, put it just down in there like that. And you have another gate over here just like that. Look, y'all. Yep. You have a garden. You have a garden. You have a small garden, you guys. I don't know how long this video has been, but yeah. And look, when you put your hand in there, you can dig deep. You can plant deep. Your soil is rich and full of nutrients. So whatever you want to put here, you can. Yeah. And that's all it takes, you guys. The garden. And I'm going to be doing some more videos out here today because it's such a great day. I cannot help myself. I'm going to show you next how to make some raised beds. Just out of a little simple wood. That's all it is. Okay, you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff. It needed, you guys. How to make a small garden. Gardening for beginners. I love you guys. Click like and subscribe. Join the channel. Share. All that good stuff. You're the best. I love you guys. This is Skinny Boy Randy. Peace out.